Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepare Camping, and today I'm looking at the Aviva 40 half mask from Scott Safety. Together with a couple of 40mm P3 filters. I got this particular mask from cbis.com. The mask was £25 and the filters were $9.99 each. Now these are brand new, so the filters have a 10-year shelf life and are good until 2030. Let's crack one open. So here's all the legislation compliance references. The only thing that we're interested in is the P3, which is its particulate rating. In a 40mm mask, it can take a range of filters, so not just the particulate ones that I've got for it, but it can also take full-on gas filters if necessary. We can see here it only has a single inlet valve, but the apertures on the filters are quite large, so breathing through it is quite easy. So as I said, because it takes 40mm filters, I can take the NBC one off of this S10 gas mask and fit that to it as well. It's much heavier, but if you have it tightened up sufficiently, it shouldn't pull the mask off your face. I should point out that Scott Safety do actually sell some civilian filters as well, some ABEC ones that deal with vapours, so it's a good system to have. And obviously, that means that the P3 filters I got for it will also work in my S10 gas mask, so that you have a superb but lightweight enclosed system. Brilliant for PPE at the moment. Because this obviously incorporates eye protection, pretty important at the moment with the viral situation. As you see here, when I put the two filters side by side, you can see that the P2000 is much thinner. It's substantially lighter too, so I'll just clear this away and get the scales and check that. So first, the NBC filter, which is 312 grams. And the Pro 2000 P3 filter is 90 grams, so much lighter. It's quite easily fitted. Just place this over the top of your head on the crown. Pull these straps out a little bit, and then they just lock into each other around the back of your head. And then simply tighten to adjust. You should be able to see the valves there as I breathe in and as I breathe out. Quite a comfortable mask. There you go. You can see it's got a nice wide aperture here, so it's easy to breathe through. It's pretty good. So thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers.